Is your phone screen turning black during calls? This can be annoying when you're trying to handle a conversation. Here is how to solve the problem of your iPhone screen going black during calls. Check your proximity sensor whether it's working or not. Open App Store. Tap Search. Type Check My Device. Install this app. Tap Open. From here, find out Proximity Sensor. Open this up. Try to cover your sensor by using your hand and check your issues. Now, if you have issues here, then either your screen protector has some issues or it is a hardware issue. To solve it, follow the following solution. Solution 1. Clean the proximity sensor. The proximity sensor located near the top of your iPhone screen might be obstructed or dirty. Simply clean the area around the sensor with a soft, dry cloth. Test the phone to see if the screen stays on during calls. Solution 2. Check for screen protector or case interference. Sometimes, a screen protector or case can interfere with the proximity sensor. Remove any screen protector or case and test if the screen issue is resolved. Solution 3. Update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the screen issue is fixed after updating. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Tap Reset all settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. This will reset your settings to default but won't delete your data. Check if the screen issue is resolved. Solution 5. Contact Apple support. If none of the above solutions work, the issue might be hardware related. Contact Apple support for further assistance. They can help diagnose the issue and provide repair options if necessary. And here's how to fix black screen issue during calls on your iPhone. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching.